नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना अखरता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती।
The Himalayas, a magnificent union of nature, history, and mythology. It's where the grandeur of the physical world and the intricacies of the spiritual world combine. A trek through the peaks is a journey into the soul. Every breathtaking visual, a voyage into the self. The true miracle of the Grand Himalayas is in its ability to ignite a spark in every individual who submits to its experience. Therein lies its magic. Man can indeed move mountains, but a mountain can move something deep and precious in man. A Himalayan adventure is a difficult dream indeed, one that offers limitless rewards, even as it extracts every ounce of resolve and forbearance a climber can muster. But at ONGC, adventure is in our DNA. A global leader in oil and gas exploration and production, ONGC has always been in the business of enriching lives. Our energy soldiers have long scoured India's depths in search for oil, that lifeblood of a new and developing nation. The same spirit that takes us to the depths of the earth in search of oil has inspired us to scale the heights of the Himalayas in pursuit of goals that are beyond the realm of profitability or acclaim. Born in 1982, the ONGC Himalayan Association, or ONGCHA, is the outcome of our efforts to climb higher in the search for self-fulfillment and team solidarity. It stems from a deep understanding of where we come from and a vision of where we want to head as a team. ONGCHA aims to mold leaders out of our team members, testing their skills and determination while imbuing them with the values and resourcefulness that is needed to counter the elements and get to the top. ONGCHA's first big tryst with the mountains came 6 years after its inception, in 1988. Till then, the Great Kanchenjunga had only been scaled by either our defense forces or foreign climbers. But in 1987, 25 ONGCHA members received basic mountaineering training in Manali, and in 1988, a group of 5 reached the base camp at 18,500 feet. The expedition was called off due to the unfortunate death of one of the members, but it gave inexperienced civilian mountaineers the confidence and momentum to realize their Kanchenjunga dream. ONGCHA organizes treks and hikes for members of ONGC and their families to recharge and rejuvenate them and prepare them for the professional peaks that lie ahead. Though the aim is to reach the summit, there is plenty of beauty along the way. To sit back and enjoy the view is one of life's greatest joys, and ONGCHA is privileged to play a role in contributing to these treasured moments. Desert safaris, skiing, motor rallies. In 1995, ONGCHA organized the first joint trans-desert safari with the Border Security Force along the Indo-Pak border fence, totaling 340 kilometers. The historic 14-day safari included 2 days of camel riding training by the BSF. ONGCHA's activities are wide and varied, as its arms and legs spread across regions like Dehradun, Delhi, Mumbai, Assam, Gujarat, Kolkata, Chennai, and Agartala. Having a strong sense of national pride, complemented by a globally responsible, eco-friendly ethos, we have offered our services and resources as best as we can in times of need. ONGCHA works closely with organizations across the nation, exploring new frontiers. If you pin your dreams to the Himalayas, it's only natural they will be realized at the peak of the Everest. 2017 is the year this much-cherished dream of ONGCHA's will finally come true. Mission Everest 2017 kicked off with our team reaching the Everest Base Camp in 2015. A fitting salute to the 50th anniversary of the first Indian ascent to Mount Everest in 1965. The ONGC flag was unfurled at the base camp, an important marker in our journey to the top of the world. Ongcha is a continuous effort to infuse freshness and vibrancy into the rock-solid ONGC. To build a strong nation, we need strong citizens. And what better way to inspire and motivate our team than through the magnificent Himalayas, an ode to everlasting beauty, grace and strength. It all comes together at Ongcha. Together, we can scale every peak.
जब तक न सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, जब तक न सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती।